The South China Sea arbitration initiated by the Philippines is attracting much attention as a final ruling will be announced before the end of June. In response to the unilateral initiation by the Philippines, China says the arbitration violates international law and it will not accept and participate in the case. At a seminar on the South China Sea issue held in Bangkok, Thailand, scholars defended China's stance. We have their words. Scholars from the Chinese National Institute for South China Sea Studies, or NISCSS, are invited by Saranrom Institute of Foreign Affairs Foundation of Thailand to jointly hold a seminar on the South China Sea issue. Nong, director of the Research Center for Oceans Law and Policy under the NISCSS, said the arbitration tribunal has no jurisdiction over the case and the issue cannot be solved in this way. Hong said the Philippines' move is to call for a decision over sovereignty and maritime delimitation, which is excluded from the tribunal's jurisdiction. The arbitration was initiated by the Philippines over maritime disputes under United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS, in 2013. After ratifying the law in 1996, China has made exclusion declarations in 2006, which says China does not accept any of the compulsory dispute settlement procedures regarding sovereignty, maritime delimitation, and so on. Hong added that China and the ASEAN have their own way of solving problems, either through negotiation or consultation. She urged relevant countries to have a second thought about what is the practical way to solve the disputes. Wu Shicun, president of NISCSS, said the only way going forward is to joint development on natural resources in the disputed area. In his opinion, the South China Sea issue is complicated and sensitive. Thus, it is impossible to be solved in a single procedure. Wu also mentioned the double-track approach, meaning disputes should be resolved peacefully through negotiation between parties directly concerned. He pointed out that the United States should not interfere in the South China Sea issue in the name of freedom of navigation. Anyway, Wu emphasized no matter what the future situation is, China will work with the ASEAN to seek peace, stability, and friendship.